Hai semua, selamat pagi. Cikgu dah bagikan buku-buku ni. Kamu yang pertama sekali, kamu tuliskan nama penuh kamu. Kemudian kamu tuliskan uh, um, nama sekolah, masa, kelab dan tarikh lahir. Kalau dah siap, kita akan pergi ke muka surat seterusnya, iaitu muka surat yang kedua. Okey, sudah tulis semua? Sebab tulis semua jawab nama dah. Okey, baiklah. Kalau begitu kita akan pergi ke muka surat yang pertama, iaitu board. Kita ada kita ada board A, B, C, D, E, F, G sampailah H. Sampailah apa? H ya. Kemudian kita ada rank pula. Rank dia A, B, kita ada file. File A, B, C, D, E, F, GH ada satu, ada rank, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, rank 6, rank 7, rank 8 lah. Ini. Jadi ini dia adalah file. File A, file B, file C, file A, file B, file C sampai H ya. File. Ini semua dipanggil sebagai file. Ini file. File, file lah semua file ni. File, file. Okey. Ya, jadi rank pula ada rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rank ni semua rank. Rank 1 sampai 8. Okey, boleh faham? Sekarang kita masuk pula muka surat ketiga, iaitu board. Naming the square. Tuliskan, write name the square for each of the square. Okay, what is the name of the square for the bishop? Bishop. Bishop apa dia punya nama? Nama bishop tu apa? Okey. Iaitu apa? F. Kita boleh tengok F. F apa? F. Naik ini adalah F3. Naik ini adalah F3. Kemudian yang sebelah ni pula Queen. Queen berada dekat A8. A8. A8 dan Rook berada di C6. Rook berada di C6. Kemudian kita tengok yang sebelah ni pula. Ini pula kita tengok yang sebelah ini. King. King hitam. Berada di mana? King hitam berada di G8. Kemudian Queen pula berada di mana? Kamu siapkan ini. Kemudian kita ada namakan kotak ni. Kuda apa tadi kuda? Kuda apa nama tempat dia? Iaitu F3. Kuda berada di F3. F3. Rook berada on C6. Queen on A8. Okay. And then we go to naming the square. Ini tadi kuda hitam di mana? Di G4. Bishop, white bishop on D5. Okay. And then we go to this one. Also same. You write down the coordinate of the piece. Tuliskan koordinat dia. Ini sama. Sama juga. Sama juga kamu cari. And the last one is knight. Knight dekat C6. Okay, siapkan ni. Kemudian kita pergi seterusnya. Ini pun sama. Kamu bulatkan untuk F2. Mana F2? Where is F2? F2. Where is F2? A, B, C, D, E, F. F2 here is the F2. Ini F2 lah. F2. F2. F2 is here. And then where is G7? G7 mana? And then C6. Mana C6? Okay. Kamu buat semua ni. Siapkan. Kemudian ini ada lagi. Kamu buat yang kedua. H8. Mana? H8 mana? Kita square. D1. Okay, D1 sini. D1. Okay, D1. D1. Kamu siapkan. Siapkan. This one. For moving. For example, the knight can move to this place. This is the move. For moving. And then for taking, you make a round, a circle. Okay. bishop d5. Okay, bishop d5 here. What should bishop do? And then this one, what should we do? Also same, or we attacking, creating an attack. How, where does the bishop should go to attack? Go where? So the answer is, you draw a line, you go here, and this is the correct one. Okay, and then also this one also same. You put the rook. Where should the rook go? Where should the rook go? Where should the rook go? To attack the bishop. Okay, and then defending. How to defend? You see here the rook is attacking the knight. The rook is attacking the knight. So what should we do? We must protect. So we take another pawn. We go here and protect it. Take it. Or also the king also can come. Also king also can come. There. Yeah, protect the knight. And then we go here next. Defending also same. You must move away. For example, the bishop is attacking the pawn here. What should you do? You should go in front lah. You go in front and moving from the attacker. Moving from the attacker. You go there. You go there and moving the attacker. Also, you finish this one. And then this one also same. Material. Take the unprotected piece. You find which one is not unprotected. For example, number one. Number one. This one. We attack the knight because knight is not protected. Okay, this one also same. Where is the unprotected? We cannot take the bishop because the bishop is protected by the knight. So what should we do? We should do the black move. Black move. So black move. The either way lah. Bishop taking the white bishop. When this is a black circle means that black to move. And then taking the attacker also same. This one black. Black to move. So we go from here to attack the knight. Black to move. Okay. And then they also taking the unprotected. You find which one is unprotected piece and then you take it. And they want to test creating an attack. How to attack? Where should be the bishop attack? You put it anywhere that will attack the best piece on the board. And then mix test. Defending the piece. Which one is defending the piece? You must defend the piece lah. Okay. So I hope you can do it correctly.